Starting with Wells Fargo is simpler than ever. If you're looking to open an account in Wells Fargo or want to know the correct way to sign in Wells Fargo Bank, here's everything you need to know. Online via official website. Visit wellsfargo.com and click on Open an Account. Select your desired account type, fill in personal details, and upload your identification. Wells Fargo mobile app. Download the Wells Fargo app, choose Open an Account, and follow the quick prompts. It's fast and secure. Branch visit. Walk into your nearest Wells Fargo branch with valid ID, proof of address, and social security number. Phone banking. Call the Wells Fargo helpline, and they will guide you step by step to open an account without even stepping out. Through employer offers. Some employers have direct tie-ups with Wells Fargo for special account offers. Check if you're eligible for exclusive deals. To sign in to Wells Fargo, head over to wellsfargo.com or open the Wells Fargo app. Next, click on Sign On at the top right. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly. Hit Sign In, and you'll instantly access your account dashboard. If you're new, click Enroll to create your sign-in credentials first. Once you're signed in, you can track your credit score for free. You can easily schedule automatic bill payments. Access Control Tower to manage all your cards and accounts. Set up custom alerts for transactions and use the Instant Card Lock Unlock option if you lose your card. Wells Fargo offers a variety of accounts to suit different needs. Everyday checking is easy to maintain with low monthly fees. Clear access banking is ideal for students and beginners with no overdraft fees. Portfolio by Wells Fargo is best for premium customers, offering relationship benefits. Way 2. Save Savings account allows you to automatically transfer money from checking to savings. And for those with bigger balances, Platinum Savings offers higher interest rates. For opening and managing accounts, visit trusted links like wellsfargo.com and wellsfargo.com/help. Choosing Wells Fargo gives you smart banking right at your fingertips.